welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. We are finally going thrifting. I'm taking you with me. I'm going to share some of my tips and my tricks for secondhand and vintage shopping. So if that sounds like a great time to you and you're like, yes, ma'am, stick around. Apologies for sounding like I am congested or stuffed up. My allergies have been kicking my butt this week. It is so bad in Tennessee. If you know, you know. But we're at the tail end of it. So just bear with me. Sorry. I think I'm going to be I'm going to try and stick to more basic pieces. I'm looking for some perfectly baggy jeans, some basic tank tops, really, I think simple pieces, maybe some fun slinky dresses or skirts. I'm not really sure, but I'll bring you with me. I'm taking my sister. We're going to make a day of it. We're going to stop at a little food fair out in Murfreesboro because that's where we're going. That's where all the best thrift stores are, in my opinion. But first, I'm at Target. Whoa. I'm at Target. I need to run in and get something because it's her birthday and I have to get stuff for it. But anyways, I will see you at the thrift. And real quick, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing. My outfit. Really cute. It's a little bit different, I would say, than I may normally wear. I literally just have this thing on because it's still a little chilly outside. It's supposed to be nice today, but this top I got from my sister. She really wanted us to dress in 90s, 2000 vibes. This is I think the tank top inspired by what Regina George says in Mean Girls, which is hilarious. But I actually just thrifted this beautiful maxi skirt. I really like how it sits lower, but because it is so long and we're going to be spending the whole day out walking around, I put my, if you know, my Steve Madden Kendall boots on. Now that's really cute. I'm kind of giving Sister Christian vibes, but oh well. I think it's adorable. Sister! Say hi! Hi! This is my sister Liz. We're about to go into this antique place here in Murfreesboro. So, okay, she's wearing a Clueless inspired outfit. How cute is she? And then that's where this, oh my gosh, what is the movie?
That's from Mean Girls.
Mean Girls, yeah, that's where the quote comes from. So we're gonna bring y'all with us. Okay, when you see this sign, you definitely go for the pants. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is why you go secondhand shopping, because it's so much cheaper than otherwise. Oh, I like the buttons in the front. So we're diving through this bin. My sister found these really cute, really nice creamy, they're corduroy and they're Ralph Lauren. Here, show them the little pocket on the back, or the patch. So this is what you want to look for. This is how you know it's gonna be really good quality. We're gonna try them. I don't know if they're gonna fit well, but I also found this pair of Calvin Klein. This is the kind of stuff that you want to look for, like Levi's, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger. I don't like the stripy, streaky wash of these, so I'm not gonna try them. But that's how you know they're really good quality. So another thing that you want to, that I'm trying to do, and I'm gonna give you a tip when I go thrifting, is that you want to be picky about what you get, because it's so easy to go thrifting and find a bunch of cute little things, but then you start to accumulate a lot of stuff in your closet and you don't really wear it, and you find a bunch of stuff that you can't wear together. And anyways, just be picky in what you buy, because everything's so cheap. It's so easy to be like, oh, it's only $5. You want to be picky for sure. Look at the fabric, the quality, the brand. Don't just be out here buying a bunch of stuff. If you don't love it, don't buy it. Exactly. I don't know if you heard my sister, but she said, remember, the store is where you love it first. So if you're like, oh, this is kind of cute, blah blah blah, you don't just absolutely love it, it's not worth it. It's like normal shopping, just way cheaper. Those are so cute. Okay, let me show you what she just found. Okay, look at the wash on these, and they feel really nice. These are Gap boot cut. Okay, sis, good job. Those are so cute. They look really big, but they're short. So we're gonna try them on.
Yes, they are. I'm short.
Okay, so I found this. I'm not gonna try it on, I don't think, but there is this style right now of like a really soft, like nice basic cardigan where it's only got the one button and you just button it at the bust. And it's really cute with a pair of jeans, some loafers, some simple heels. Something like this would be so cute for that, but I don't love this one, so I'm gonna put her back. Okay, I feel like everyone owned these back in the day. Look how cute these are. The low-waisted American Eagle. Oh my gosh, we both had a pair of these. That is hilarious. Are we gonna pass on those? Okay, so I just found this really nice pair of Calvin Klein black jeans. How pretty are these? I think they're gonna be too big. I'm pretty sure they're men's, but you know what? I'm gonna try them anyways. I have a very particular vision I'm going for with the jeans that I find, and maybe I'll put a inspiration picture up on the screen. But how nice, and they're so sturdy and high quality. I love it. So my sister just went through this whole rack. She found some really cute stuff on it. Like, she showed me this really nice vintage leather jacket. It's actually really soft, long leather, but I don't like the heathering and weathering of this jacket. It's just not quite it. And I'm not big into fitted blazers. I like oversized men's blazers, but she found some really cute one. Like, she showed me this one. This is super cute. Not quite my style, but that is still a cute find too. Bless you. But like, something like this is still cute. I'm looking for definitely more basic pieces. We were just talking about, can I share your age or no?
Yeah.
So my sister is turning 44
Yes.
on Monday. And I'm like, I can't believe it, because you don't even look like it, nor do you act like it. And we're just talking about dressing how you feel, not according to your age, which very big proponent on that. You know, hot stuff over here. Okay, so I'm on this rack. This kind of stuff is so in right now, like the 90s, like men's polos. This kind of stuff is so cute. It's not really my style, but so many cute ones. This looks like it's straight out of the 90s. This little detail on these is so cute. And it looks like the waist is tapered in. It's just all the jeans are made for tall people. And I'm over here 5 foot. My sister's like 5'1". They're kind of a straight leg 90s cut. No, I might try them. They're only $5.99. Okay, so PSA, don't sleep on the bag section at the thrift store, because they have some gems sometimes. Like, I love getting baguette bags at the thrift because they have some of the best ones. So I'm looking at the skirts, and if you're like me, I have been loving midi maxi skirts, and thank God they're like actually stylish now for people to wear. But I want to share some tips. So before you try stuff on, okay, so something like this, really thin waistband, tapers in at the waist and kind of comes out and has these little like trumpet flouncy things at the bottom. That will be so flattering. Like, it'll hug your hips up here and like kind of just come in like that, tapered in at your knees, and have this really delicate feminine flouncy bottom. That kind of style is so pretty and so feminine. I love that. A little pro tip for you. Thank you for helping me hold all the stuff. Oh. Okay, so all the other jeans have been an absolute flop. These ones are the, what are they, the Calvin Klein? Gap. They actually fit perfect lengthwise. I love that it has that like slouchy baggy bottom, and since I'm 5 foot, it is so hard to find stuff. They're a bit big at the waist, so this is not how I wear it. This is just how what I have on hand, but I'd probably use a belt or something, not this one. but I love how baggy they are. I'm probably gonna wash them so they get a little bit tighter. I'll style them and show you kind of what I mean, but I love they have the perfect wash and to find jeans that are the perfect length, and this is literally what I'm looking for, something to wear with pointy shoes. I've got my boots on, but even heels to go out in a little top would be so cute, or like a ball cap or something. Oh. So I always check the men's section, brands like this you don't want to pass up on. Like, how cute.
Hello, Mr. Corey.
Like, that's so nice. I wish.
Can I have a bite?
Those are cute. I don't know if they'd fit though. If you never know, you can't try a pair of pants on. Quick tip, the way to do that. Take them by the waist. Wrap them around your neck. If they touch like that, that's how you know that they'll fit you at your waist. Oh, pro tip if you have no dressing room. But how cute are these? Look at that. Always go to the men's section. Okay, so this place that we're at literally has a whole room devoted to shoes, and I mean goals. Let's see what we can find. These ones are cute. Love that. Okay, these super cute. Look at the little.
A little heel.
These are so, like little kitten heel slingbacks. These are very like early 2000s. Those are actually so cute. They're leather, so you know they're gonna last. Always check the shoes, but definitely. I know, I was just true. I filmed them actually. That's so funny. So you always have to check the quality of the inside. You know, if the heel is still intact, because sometimes they're messed up. But these ones, like, they're actually in really good condition. Even the bottom, if you can tell. I always look at all that when I'm thrifting. Just because I don't want to buy like gross shoes. You know, shoes are really weird. I'm really picky about them. And, you know, feet. Are you laughing at me?
Yeah.
Like, these are really cute too. Stuff like this is so in.
Yes.
Okay. So they're actually super cute. She was like, what'd you say, sis? Oh, they actually look cute on you.
Yep.
I was thinking, even with a long, like a maxi skirt like this, or even a sweet little midi, how cute is that? But I also was thinking with the long jeans, having them poke out just like that with the little bows at the bottom. Oh wait, but they're okay, so look at this. They're coming off, which is disgusting. That's a no-go for me. I don't like that. So we just left, but you can't beat the thrift because those jeans are $1.50. Love that. Okay guys, we're back, or I'm back home. The only thing I ended up finding was the jeans. I found a bunch of other stuff to try, but I've grown to become so picky when it comes to thrifting, just because you'll end up with so many random things, and it gets exciting finding things that are super cute that you might pay way more money for online or, you know, at Zara or whatever, but I've learned to really be picky about what I find. So I wanted to show you how I style the jeans. I haven't washed them or adjusted them to fit me a little bit better or anything like that, but they're exactly what I was looking for, and I'm really excited to show you. So I know this sounds kind of funny, but this is the exact view I was hoping to see with these jeans. I wanted the kind of slouchy bottom like that with the heels poking out. And I don't know how I found some that fit literally so perfect, and the wash is so good. But here is what I'm pairing it with. I figured I just randomly found this tube top that I was wearing yesterday. I threw that on. I want them to fit a little bit more like that. It's not like a huge adjustment, but yes, the crotch is like way more baggy, but that's kind of this style. It's like this really baggy, lived in elevated casual style that I'm going for, with between the kind of slouchy jeans and then the heels. I just threw on my little black 9 West slingbacks, but I threw on this Tommy Hilfiger blazer. It's a men's blazer that I thrifted. I think it's actually a boy's. Look at the inside of this, y'all. Like, that is so nice. Super high quality. This is why I always thrift all of my blazers, because like you can't find that for, what did I get this for, like $8. So this bag I actually thrifted as well. It's by Guess. It's got a little G detail there on the hardware. It's a little lived in, but for like $3 I thought this was so cute. So I threw my hair up just to give you kind of an idea of what I'm going for with the bag and the blazer. Like, how beautiful. I wanted to give you a better look at the outfit. These jeans literally would go perfect with sweaters, kind of a 1-button cardigan, waistcoats, like the vests that are super in right now, tube tops, baby tees, oh my gosh, sweatshirts, so many different things you could pair with this. You could do sneakers, like I think Sambas, Reeboks, Air Force Ones, stuff like that would be so cute. Even ballet flats, kind of like Matilda Durf does with her little Chanel flats, would be so cute. The pants, without them being, you know, taken in or anything. Like, these are so cute. Let me see if I can get the shoes in here. Like, I think these are so cute. Let me know what you think. Okay, also I think it worth noting, I'm literally doing this with the front door wide open because we have the best lighting that way. So my neighbors probably think I'm freaking crazy. Ignore that thing in the background. But this is the skirt I thrifted yesterday. I can set it up high if I wanted to because it is long enough. But I like how it hits the floor. Hopefully I can get this in the shot. Like that, with the shoes poking out the bottom. Look at this. Like, how beautiful and stunning is this? Y'all, this is literally 75% thrifted. This tube top I got at H&M years ago. But the Tommy Hilfiger blazer and the skirt, I think the skirt is vintage. But I love that it just perfectly kisses the floor, if you can see that. And I personally look at kind of the fabric. I like really slinky, soft types of fabrics when I'm looking for skirts, because I know it's gonna like hug the body and kind of taper in just like that, as you're seeing by my knee. I love that. That means it's gonna hug your hips so that when you walk, you can see my figure. That's what I look for. That's what I'm looking for in skirts. This is what you want, for it to literally kiss the floor like that. See that? It's got to be the right length. Like, how hot is that? Dang.